In this video, we will solve example 1.5 from the book of Chemistry 9 by PCTB. The example is solved by the unitary method for better understanding of the students. The problem is you have a piece of coal carbon weighing 9 grams. Calculate the number of moles of coal in the given mass. In this problem, we need to find number of moles of carbon in 9 gram of carbon. Let's start the solution. First, we need to find out the molar mass of carbon. The molar mass of carbon can be taken from the periodic table by rounding and putting grams at the end of this value. Hence, the molar mass of carbon is 12 grams. If you want to know all about the molar mass and the mole, you can watch our video given in the description below. You can also click on the screen right now to watch the video. The above equation means one number of moles of carbon is equal to 12 grams of carbon. Replacing the sides of the equation, it becomes 12 gram of carbon is equal to one number of moles of carbon. Dividing both sides by 12, the equation becomes 12 by 12 grams of carbon is equal to 1 by 12 number of moles of carbon. Simplifying, the equation becomes 1 gram of carbon is equal to 1 by 12 number of moles of carbon. The left side of this equation now becomes 1 gram of carbon. 1 means unit, and so this equation is required for the unitary method. Multiplying both sides of the equation by 9, it becomes 9 multiplied by 1 gram of carbon is equal to 9 multiplied by 1 divided by 12 number of moles of carbon. Simplifying, the equation becomes 9 gram of carbon is equal to 9 by 12 number of moles of carbon. Solving the equation, the required answer is 9 gram of carbon is equal to 0.75 number of moles of carbon. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully this was somehow helpful to you. If it was, kindly like, subscribe and share. Goodbye.